AI has come a long way in recent years. We have models that can drive your car and react in milliseconds. But speed is not the same thing as understanding. We've been lying to ourselves, assuming that because AI can speak, write, sing, or react quickly, it actually has some sort of brain or thinking process, but it doesn't. The truth is that traditional generative AI models simply predict the next word or pixel. That's it. They are statistical mimics. They process petabytes of text, but they create no abstraction or understanding of reality. They're just matching patterns of human language without ever forming a mental model of the world that that language describes. And this is the fundamental difference between AI and you. Both you and the machine are trying to navigate the world, but you are doing it with a massive advantage. At any given moment, you are swimming in data. High-resolution visuals, smells, taste, tactile feedback, memories, desires, and emotions. You take all of this complex input and you form a deep, abstract model of reality. You understand physics, causality, and intent. You can understand why a chatbot is wrong when it tells you that it's still 2025 during a drawn-out conversation. Current AI is starved. It usually only has text tokens. It is trapped in a library trying to learn kung fu by reading about it. It doesn't build a mental model of the kick, it just memorizes which words usually follow lift leg. But recently, Meta's AI chief, Yann LeCun, released a paper that finally bridges this gap, linked below. It's called Vision Language Joint Embedding Predictive Architecture, or for short, VL-JEPA. JEPA marks the beginning of the post-generative era. The breakthrough here is that this system moves from an empty token prediction model and moves towards an actual abstraction of reality. JEPA is a non-generative model. This means it is not predicting the next pixel or the next word. Instead, it's predicting and inferring meaning. And to understand why this is so critical, just look at the inefficiency of the old way. Imagine you show AI a video of someone flipping a light switch. A standard generative model has to guess the specific words to describe it. So it encodes the video and immediately starts guessing text tokens one by one. The light turns off. To a language model, the sentence, "the light turns off and the room becomes dark," are actually two completely different answers made of completely different tokens. This means the model has to waste a lot of computational power memorizing every possible way a person might phrase that action. So it's obsessing over grammar rather than actual reality. In recent years, all that has really changed is the packaging and refinement of this tech at a level where people find themselves trusting ChatGPT 5 with outputs that simulate intelligence. But VL-JEPA doesn't care about phrasing. In this example, it's converting the video and your question into an embedding, a mathematical representation of the idea of darkness. Similar to how math can be used to describe the exact trajectory of a rocket, embeddings can be used to store the relative meaning of actions. It understands that the concept of a light turning off is the same, regardless of the words used to describe it. It collapses the chaotic data of the real world into a single, clean, and abstract thought. This allows the model to act in silence. It watches a video stream and only triggers a text output when it detects a significant change in meaning. And this can reduce the amount of talking it has to do by nearly 3 times. For example, whenever you're using Gemini 3 or ChatGPT Pro models, When you hit show thinking, you're seeing a lot of text that it has to produce in order to provide you with a single answer. But with JEPA, all of that thinking is already being done quietly. And this is why a 1.6 billion parameter JEPA model was able to outperform traditional models that are actually nearly double the size. It learns faster because it isn't memorizing the dictionary. It's learning the actual dynamics of the video that you show it. It is finally building that internal world model that LLMs have lacked for so long. We are moving towards a world of agents, AI that lives and acts in the real world. These agents don't need to just be fast, they also have to be grounded in reality. And VL-JEPA proves that the future of AI isn't about generating more text tokens. It's about forming an abstraction of the real world. It's about truly thinking. And if you want to see the actual paper that I looked at to make this video, I've linked it in the description below. If you are interested in this type of content and want more videos like it, definitely be sure to hit subscribe. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.